Hi, my name is Matthew Blackman. This is my week 2 assignment for FTT 104. Today is July 12th, 2025. Let's get into it. All right, so firstly, for this assignment, we are going to be using my Glock 43 that I have here. So basically what we're going to be doing in this assignment is field stripping the firearm and then reassembling. So first off, I'd like to just say that I have no live ammo anywhere in my workspace. There's no live ammo around at all. So let's get into it. So first thing, we're gonna need to fully clear the firearm so that we know that it's safe to work on. So pick it up here, drop the mag out. You can see that there's no ammunition in the mag at all. Set that to the side. And then we'll pull the slide back a couple times so the ejector has a chance to grab onto anything that might have been in the chamber. I can also, during this, look in there and see that there's nothing actually in the chamber. Then we can pull the slide back one last time, lock it back with the slide release right there. Then I can visibly and physically check in the chamber, make sure nothing's in there, and there isn't anything. There's also no feed source in the gun, so when I let go of the slide here, it's not going to be chambering anything. So now, to start with the field stripping process, specifically for the Glock 43 here, what you're going to start by doing is pulling the trigger in a safe direction. So now that the trigger's pulled, you can pull down on the transfer bar right here. And then when you're pulling down, you pull the slide back just a tad, and you can feel the bar kind of drop down, and then you can push the slide forward, let go of that bar, and then it's completely off. So there you have your slide, and then here's the frame. We're gonna go ahead and set the frame there because for the basic field strip, we're not gonna be doing anything else with that. So we have the slide right here. So for a basic field strip, if you're just gonna maybe clean the gun quickly after a range day, or maybe you wanted to inspect something or change out your barrel, or just put some more lube on it, or anything of that nature. First, you're gonna just push in on your recoil spring assembly right here, pop that out, set that to the side, barrel, kind of push it up from the top right there, pull that out, and then you're left with just your basic slide. It's not completely stripped, but it's stripped to the point where it is field stripped. Still has the parts kit in it, so it's got the sights on it, so it's not completely stripped, but it is field stripped. So you could clean it, lube it, do whatever you wanted, change your barrel, change your recoil spring assembly, whatever you wanted to do. And then assembling it, basically the same way. Put your barrel in like that, make sure it drops down, recoil spring assembly, and like that. Push in on it like so. There we go. And you take your frame and your slide, make sure it lines up right there. Kind of jackhammer it back like that. And just double check, make sure, again, no feed source still. Double checking, make sure there's nothing in the chamber. Lock back, release, and then function test it. Just make sure trigger works, everything's working properly. Again, magazine, gonna insert it. Make sure slide locks back. Again, no ammunition. Trigger works just fine. Resets with the slide, and put the magazine back in, and the firearm is now back to where it was when we first started the video. So again, that was my FTT 104 week 2 assignment. Thank you very much for watching.